Hello students, it's grade 5 block 1. Numbers up to 1 crore and 10 crore. See in your textbook of maths page number 10. On page number 10 the table is given. It shows place value. See, we have learned that the place value of a 6-digit number are ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs. After that 10 lakhs, crore and 10 crore. So today we are going to learn the place value of the numbers. Okay, start your exercise on page number 10. 45,000. So I have written here 45,000. I will give comma. 900. This is second. 67,002. 67. After 67 I will give comma 1000 and there is no number at hundreds place and tens place. So I will give 0 and 2. The third one is 2,03,654. 2 lakh. There is no number and 10,000s place. 3,000. Again I will give comma 654. Then 99,909. And line number digit is 0. What is the place value of this 0? It is at tens place. It is at tens place. The face value of the 0 is 0, but it is at tens place. So the place value is 10. Then 1,84,752. The underlined digit is 1. What is the place value of this one? See, again count. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. So the place value of 1 is lakh. How many numbers are there? I will give zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 1 lakh. The place value of 1 is 1 lakh. The next question is write the numbers in the place value table. I have made the table here. See, first I have written ones, then 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So your first number is 49,000. So I have written 4 in 10,000 place, 9 at 1,000 place, 824. And you have to write these numbers in the place value table like this. You have to prepare the place value table. First ones, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, then crore and 10 crore. And you will write the numbers in the appropriate places.